I'm on a secret mission this weekend to make over my brother and sister-in-law's laundry room. For Christmas, my siblings draw names, and so I had them this year, and my sister-in-law wanted to start making over her laundry room. She wanted me to make this tall cabinet to start off the laundry room. But as per usual, I did not get my Christmas present done on time, and she got an IOU. Anyway, so this weekend they are out of town. So I'm gonna do a makeover without her knowing. I told my brother, so it's a secret kind of. But I actually made all the cabinets that she was wanting. She was gonna kind of just piece it together over the years as her budget allowed, but I just thought, well, I'm doing the ones, might as well get them all done. That's what I'm up to this weekend, and I'm really excited to see how it turns out. So I've loaded up the truck with the cabinets. She chose the same Zen color that I used in my bathroom vanity. And then I made a quick stop to Home Depot and grabbed some shiplap. But I'm excited to see how it turns out. Looks like everything made it in one piece after a 3-hour drive, so whew. Okay, we've snuck in, and here's the room. So it's kind of long and skinny. So the tall cabinet will go right here, and she'll be able to fit her vacuums and mopper, and then we'll get rid of these shelves, and there'll be a folding table here, and then above the washer and dryer there will be some cabinets, and then I have some leftover shiplap, and I picked up some extra, and then I'll shiplap the rest of this wall. So we've got a little bit of work to do, but it should turn out pretty cute. To start off, I took the shelves off the wall and cleared out everything but the washer and dryer. Then I used the stud finder to find all the studs in the walls. I like to use painter's tape to mark the studs. The tape is easy to see and remove when done. For the upper cabinets, I measured 54 inches from the floor and marked a level line. Time to bring in the big, awkward 8-foot cabinet and set it on its base. I put a scrap board on the level line that makes a good ledge to sit the upper cabinets on while attaching the cabinets to the wall studs. The cabinets are secured to the walls with washer head wood screws, minimum 2.5 inches long. The laser level gives a good guide where the wall studs are located. Once the cabinets are secure, then I can attach the doors. I like using concealed hinges because they are adjustable and easy to get the door gap just right. A link to the plan for these budget laundry room cabinets is in the description below. Please subscribe and give me a big thumbs up. I thought the white shiplap would be a great accent with those Zen colored cabinets. I like using the primed MDF shiplap. It is super easy to work with and install. The trickiest part is cutting around the utilities. I secure it with 2.5 inch finishing nails in the tongue on each stud. Then I secure the shiplap face every 3 or so studs, and that helps to cut down on filling nail holes later. I filled all the nail holes with spackle, and don't forget to caulk all the edges. Alrighty, I've got the cabinets installed and there's the shiplap. Just waiting for the putty to dry.
Are you kidding me? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
What?
Thank you so much. This is so beautiful.